Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, and this is really a cool one. Check out those fender marker lights, the great-looking wheel and tire setup, Barracuda. So this is a 1970 Barracuda Gran Coupe. This is Mike's car. It is for sale. I've got his information listed below, and just love everything about this car. Look at that little handle, the beautiful white interior. And there's the opening, the lock rather, and then there's the handle to open it. You got remote mirrors on the door. Barracuda. Always thought that steering column was pretty wild, the way it has that accordion effect. And this thing has got low miles, 72,000 miles on it. It's a rotisserie restoration, and I've got a lot of detail below. Check that out. Power seats and just a cream puff of a car. Now, it has been restored, but restored properly to its original condition. It just such a cool car. It's one of 732 built, and has the 4-barrel carburetor, 383 vinyl top, as you see here. Beautiful green. 727 TorqueFlite transmission, rear spoiler. There's the 383 badging. And wait till I move around to the back here, check out the exhaust tips. And when I open the trunk here, it's going to blow your mind. I've never seen this, especially on such an older vehicle. I didn't even know they offered this. So as I raise up, look at that flat. So it is a compact flat. I knew they had that later, definitely like in the 90s, but I didn't know they had it in 1970. And there's the tire inflator, so it would take up less space. There's your gas nozzle, I guess you would say. Just a clean build. Restored back to all original condition. Numbers matching car. 383 on the other side, badging. And there's just nothing. This thing is a 10 out of a 10, if you ask me. Again, the marker lights on the fenders, 383, CUDA 383 badging on the hood. And Mike didn't want to be on the camera, but he did allow me to shoot his beautiful car, the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. And we'll raise the hood here, and there's the amazing 383. So it's a 4-barrel, and you can see the Chrysler badging on the windshield washer fluid, on the radiator there. Again, it's a 383 4-barrel 727 TorqueFlite transmission. And this car is for sale, and I'll list the information below. Just an amazing car. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I sure enjoyed shooting it. And just an amazing car.